and you're not try hard. Them girls that not pretty in a real life. You're pretty on the gram and you're pretty in a real life. Your body look good, sit right.
Okay guys, what's going on? Wagwan. This is our next video. Yes, may have on the same clothes in the other video as we put out, but this one I needed to get it over with because I have some stuff out of this that I am going to do. In the title, you know, say when me gonna talk, but this is Dollar Tree all. This is Dollar Tree all. So this, I don't have a lot of stuff, but I decided that, you know, I'm gonna share with you some of the stuff that I got and some of the good catch that I got, you know, some of the good buy when I actually get. So let's get started. I am going to start with, and the next thing, compared to Dollar Tree and Dollarama has a lot more stuff, but I like to, is there something I focus? Not even if I focus on me, hold on. There we go. Yes, so Dollarama have a lot more stuff, but Dollar Tree has everything at $1.25 and less. Right, with Dollarama you have $3, $4, $5, $6. That's just too much. Since the last 2 years, those $3, no, those $4, $5, $6. I think there was one time I see something in there for $7. I'm like, this is not dollar store anymore, right? But anyway, so I like to shop at Dollar Tree, and if I don't get what I want at Dollar Tree, then I'll go to Dollarama. So all of these that I bought was from Dollar Tree. So let's get right into it. So these right here, I bought 3 of them. These are good. Like basically they're multi-purpose hook, wall mount wire hook rack. Right. So these rack, I found them very useful. I bought one before and I put it close to my door. Like you know, you're going outside, and you know, me just hook it up and put. I think they're supposed to have different colors. So if you don't want white, you probably can buy black. And me just put it up, and you just put a key on it. You're going out, you grab your key, and you go. You come back in, you put a key back on it, and that's it. Me put it right at the door. So you know, me don't have like a little table there and everything just thrown up on it. Because if me have a little table there, it'll go annoy me, and then things are gonna just put there constantly. I mean, if I constantly take up things from there, so I just have the hook on the wall and just put the key on there. Right. So with these ones I bought, I'm gonna put them into the coat closet. I am going to put it in there because Leo school bag and stuff like that. I'm just gonna put it on the wall into the coat closet and just put his school bag on it, like Tom or whatever you want, you can put it on it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So that's why I'm gonna buy a few more. I'm probably just gonna use 1 or 2, but I'm buy like an extra one just in case I probably need it in the future. And I can't stop by hangers. I always buy hangers. I don't know if it probably need to just buy some really strong ones, but for some reason when it come on to winter time, I'm always needing more hangers. So I buy a few more. So this is a pack of 9, and yeah, a pack of 9. $1.25. As I said, everything is in here is for $1.25. This is tissue paper, and I bought this because I was doing a gift wrapping. Yes, tissue paper good. If you know, if you're not a good wrapper of presents and you want to make your gift look fancy and everything, use a gift bag, put your gift in, put your tissue paper in. You can even mix it with a different color. With this one, I think I used blue, baby blue, and the green, this green, right? And it looks good. It looks really good. Okay, next. So the only thing with this now is this is volume 2. Sometimes I, you know, going to bed or anything like that, instead of me and my phone, everything phone, I decide say, you know what, let me take up a puzzle. So this one is the Bible word hunt puzzle, but I was looking for volume. I probably have to go to a different Dollar Tree. I was looking for a volume 1 first, like volume 1 and volume 2, volume 3, but I only got volume 2. But I'm going to check before I start using this one. I am going to check for volume 1 at a different dollar store, right? And so yeah, I'll just, you know, before I go to bed or anything like that, and I don't really feel sleepy or something, you know, I just open it and do a few puzzle, and then it helps with, you know, learning the word of God as well. But there's other, if you don't want a Bible puzzle, you can look for any other puzzle if you want. What's next? I got this coffee, tea, hot beverage cup that I wanted. I have a few of them, but I don't have big ones for some reason. I don't really have big beverage cup. I don't know why. So this one, I'm gonna try what the quality is. If the quality isn't good on this beverage cup, then I probably go to the Dollarama and buy one, because them have a lot more choices, right? But I'm gonna try it. I'm not gonna say, you know, it not work good or anything like that. I'm gonna try it. I'm just buy a simple one. Them have different color. Them have white and blue, white and red. I'm just buy the gray. Just look more neutral to me. And what else? What else we got here? Okay, this is raw shea butter lotion. This is them say it's raw shea butter lotion, but me ain't no say no raw shea butter lotion, because we know what raw shea butter is. But anyway, I took it up because I smell it, and sometimes when we do like a little, you know, mani pedicure, and I soak my foot and everything like that, scrub it, everything, I like to use like a lotion, but I like to use like one of the expensive the shea butter lotion. And this is before the ending of, you know, doing my foot, you know, scrub. Like at the end I use the raw, like literally raw shea butter, and then put on socks and stuff. But in the process of cleaning off, you know, the dead skin and, you know, massaging it and stuff like that, we use a lotion like this, like a cheap lotion. But this one is pretty good, and I like the smell of it. It's not too strong. It smells like cocoa butter. Well, not really, but it smells good. Out of all of the lotion them with Dollar Tree have, this is the best one so far. I smell it. I buy it once already, and decided to, okay, maybe try it again. So yeah, and it's called Nature Shea. Is it Shea, whichever one you call it, you know, right? And I bought 2 of these. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna make a video about it. So these are, what the name of the something there? They're from Global Beauty Care. Global Beauty Care. It's a mask. So I bought 2 of them. I don't know if you guys can see that. If this thing will focus on me. Focus now, man. Oh, there you go. I bought 2 of them. So you have the charcoal and them so-called gold. I literally have to say so-called gold, because it's not real gold. I don't think it is. Well, anyway, I bought 2 of them. I'm gonna try it out and to see how them actually work. And maybe probably make a video on each of them or both of them at one. We'll see how that one they work. But yeah, I bought these, and on the side you can see them actually in there. Yeah, see there. So this is the gold one, and this is the charcoal one. Yeah. So I bought these to try, and whenever I go to dollar store, I look a different type of nail polish. So I find this, I think this is Billy Cosmetics. My husband named Billy, and this is Billy Cosmetics. So I found this nail polish, and it's called, the name of this nail polish is Iron Red. Let's see if you guys can see. Okay, when I go up close, it seems like it's not focused, but anyway, if you can see it, it's Iron Red nail polish. So I'll try this and see how it look. Probably on my toe and see how it look. I love searching the amount of nail polish I have. Probably about 20-30 of them. So I always check for see if I see some nice color. I like to change it up, you know. So the next thing is me always look for is lip gloss or some kind of lipstick or something, and I found this one, but I don't remember if this was the color that I wanted, but I just pick it up. I don't remember. But this is the same Billy brand. Alright, there you go. Yeah, this is the same Billy brand, and let me see if I can tell you if it has a color name. I don't think so. Anyway, it's a Billy Love Villa Super Shine Lip Gloss Duo. So when lip gloss duo, them have the lip gloss side, the shiny side. I have not tried it yet, and them have more of a matte type side. So I guess you use the matte type side first, and then you use the shiny side. But that's something that focus. Start give me trouble. Yeah, and then sorry. And then you use the shiny side. Anyway, the next thing is this lipstick. Metallic lipstick. I say the metallic lipstick and I say, wow, I like it. I don't know if it's gonna fit me, but I like it. Let me show you. Yeah, so this is the metallic lipstick. Alright. I don't see, it says number 6. That's all. This is. Anyway, you can't see it. I don't know under the camera. Yeah, it says number 6. That's pretty much it. What the name of the brand here? Ariposa. Ariposa. That's the name of the brand. I'm assuming if I pronounce it good. Oh, Brilliant. The name of the color is Brilliant. I just saw it on the lipstick. I don't know why they never put it up top, but anyway, I saw it and I fell in love with it. And may I say, okay, let's see. Let's see if it fits me. Next no, is me keep the best for last. So I was surprised when I saw these. I love glass mugs. I think them have a different name, but I love glass mugs and I love tea. You see, so you see when we get the combination of 2 in 1, I even love it even more. So look here. $3 have these color. Yeah, blue, red, yellow. I think this is all. I think I bought all 3 colors. I think that was it. Let me see if I can show you better. And inside them, so this is the yellow one. Inside them, and if you can see me move the other time. Inside them, you have tea bag. There's tea bag inside them. Let me show you the blue one. I love the blue one. And inside them have different flavor tea bag. That's the thing I love too. This is Earl Grey. Not a big fan of Earl Grey, but maybe drink it. So this is Earl Grey tea bag. Them have the inside of them. I think about 20 tea bags or something like that inside of them. But what do you think? What do you think? Don't you think this is nice? And you reuse it, you drink your juice, any little thing you want to drink out of it. And you know, I have all 3 color, right? Let's see if we can get the other one. All 3 color of them. Oh my gosh. Dollar Tree, y'all go on with things. Y'all go on with things. I love the red one too, you know. Just looking at it, I love the red one too. Twisted Leaves. I went into this one. Pure black tea. So black tea is in the red one. I don't remember drinking black tea ever. Sure, I'll try it, but from a tea may drink it. But yes, look at this red one. I love the red one. Let me show you up close. Focus, please. Okay, you see it? I'm gonna like this red, the fading of the red when it's going up, and then the red cover. Like you can make a smoothie and you throw it into it and it's gone. You know what I mean? Me love this. When I see it, me grab it up, man. I'm say, you know what? I'm gonna do a video on these. I definitely do a video on this. So yes, this is the last of it. This is the last of it, right? This is the best out of everything that I bought at Dollar Tree. This was the best buy that I think for this trip, right? Tell me what you think. Do you like these do you like them? Do you like them? I think them call them a next name, I don't remember, but whatever. Glass mug, glass cup, you know, I love them. Right, let me see. Yeah, I love them, man. But yes, that's about it. Tell me down below if you like this video by hitting the like button. Jesus, please, Shana. Yeah, hitting the like button, and you know, hit the notification bell so you can see any more of these videos that I make. Also subscribe if you like to, and show me some, you know, show me some support. Also, if you have any video ideas, or if you want to say anything or let me know anything about whatever I showed you in this video, in the comments, you know where that there, right? You can also follow me on social media, Instagram, Twitter. I have a Facebook page. You can follow me on that same way, but I'm mostly active on Instagram, right? I think I have a Snapchat, but as I say, Instagram I'm mostly active on. Maybe use that pretty much every day, once a day, 2 times a day, 3 times a day. Yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you. Oh, my ear is a mess. Thank you for watching. Remember, anyway guys, that's it for this video. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Until you see me again in our next video, I'm out. Later.